Today I'm making pan de Bono, Colombian cheesy bread. First, this dish uses a ratio of masa flour and cassava flour. I'm going to use about twice as much cassava flour as masa. If you can't find cassava flour, tapioca flour, and like tapioca starch, it's all the same thing. As you can see, masa flour is pretty different. Completely different color, really. So that's half a cup of masa flour to 1 cup of cassava flour. For cheeses, you can use like a mixture of cheeses, like something softer, something harder. I'm just gonna go with completely queso blanco today, or queso fresco. It's white too, same thing, you know. And I don't have a cheese grater, so since I have no cheese grater, I need to break up these bigger chunks in here by hand. But it's okay, it's still gonna be great. A couple bigger chunks of cheese might not be that bad. Now that we've mixed most of the dry ingredients, I'm gonna add the salt and mix it again before I add the wet ingredients. This just makes the salt like evenly distributed. It won't be too salty. You can see like pretty well combined. Now we're ready for the egg and the milk. Fun fact, if you crack an egg on a flat surface, you're less likely to get a shell in your egg. Oh, did it! It's just a little bit over a quarter in 1 cup. So how do you know when this is done? You can just take a handful of it out of here, like press it into a ball, and see if it holds its shape. Yeah, it's like really malleable. Perfect. Now we just gotta roll this in our hands, preheat the oven to 400, bake for 20 minutes. So last time I did this, I noticed if you use tinfoil, the bread can kind of stick to it, and then it'll, pull the bottom off your bread, the cheese will come out. So I'm thinking just use the regular baking sheet and just rub it down with butter pretty thoroughly. So you just kind of roll it like Play-Doh, make this ball, put it right there. That's all there is to it. Now I'm gonna put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, time to take them out. Oh, I need gloves. All right, now you're supposed to eat them while they're really hot, so let's go for it. This is what they look like up close. These perfect little balls, and then the bottom of them, oh, nice and crispy. It has almost like a gummy texture on the inside. This is great. Fantastic appetizer. Goes well with anything. See what my roommate thinks about it. This is my roommate Ryan. Let's see if he likes it.
I'm okay, thank you.
You sure? He hates me. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see me make more anything at all.